In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted objects from photos with ClipDrop Cleanup. We're using a simple browser-based tool that makes it easy to erase distractions from any photo, whether it's a stray person in the background, a blemish, or a logo you don't want. No complicated software needed, just follow along. First, head over to the ClipDrop website. On the homepage, look for the section labeled Tools, then open the option called Cleanup. This is the workspace where we'll do all the editing. It loads quickly and presents a clean interface so you can focus on your image. Next, upload your image. You can click to select a file from your device or drag and drop it into the window. Higher quality images tend to produce better results, but any clear photo will work. Once your image is visible on the screen, you'll see the editing panel with a brush and a few helpful toggles. Now brush the parts you want to clean. Think of the brush like digital paint. You're simply marking what you want removed. Take your time and cover the entire object or area, including soft edges like shadows or reflections, so the tool understands what should disappear. If the area is small or detailed, adjust the brush size to be more precise. For larger objects, increase the brush size to cover more quickly. Before you process the change, you can toggle high quality on or off. High quality often yields cleaner, more natural results, especially around complex edges, though it may take a moment longer to process. You'll also see options like Select or Move. Select helps you target specific regions without painting freehand, which is useful for crisp shapes. Move lets you reposition elements if you prefer rearranging instead of removing, though most of the time, cleanup is all you'll need. When you're ready, click Clean. The tool analyzes your selection and fills the area with realistic background details. If something isn't perfect on the first pass, simply brush over the remaining bits and click Clean again. Small frequent passes often look more seamless than one large sweep. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Download to save the edited image to your device. It's a good idea to keep a copy of the original file as well, so you can revisit and refine later if needed. And that's it. Upload, brush, clean, and download. You're done.